This is our deer. We're just maybe 30 feet away from it.
Nope.
Say hi, deer. 11 feet? Noah, don't go close to it because then you'll scare her.
I know, I'm not getting very low. I got some food.
No, come here, Noah. It's just gonna eat our flowers, I think. Pretty deer.
Getting so close. Mommy, we're so close.
There it goes. Oh, but I think they shut. Did they shut the gate?
Don't scare it, though.
I don't know if they shut the gate or not.
Oh yeah, they
There's our sunroom.
No, no, no.
Oh, Abby, just hold still. Oh, it's so pretty.
No, don't scare it.
Don't scare it, you guys.
No, it wants to go.
Jonathan, what are you doing?
He's shutting it.
Shut the gate, baby.
It's gonna
Noah, don't
eat
scare it,
John.
sweetie.
It's gonna eat John. It can't get out. It likes. It's like it likes humans, guys.